Hello everybody. This is going to be a flan showcase. I cannot break his shit, because this is his land claim, which will be outlined whenever you try to do something that isn't allowed, or whenever you pull out a golden hoe. Alright, break that shit.
I'm gonna break this.
This is not my land claim. So he
It's
can
mine now.
commit theft, and you can... Dude, really? Alright, to claim land, you need a golden hoe. And you need to right-click where you want the land claim to start, or at one corner where you want the land claim to be, and at the other end. So this is now a land claim. He can now no longer affect any blocks. Try again.
Yes. Back.
He cannot place or break blocks, but he can still hurt me. Poke me with this. Or no, shoot me with the... Ow! No! No, don't. No, Raz. Okay, I've been shot and revived, so this is an accidental showcase of the other mods for the server, but even though this is my land claim, he can still steal my shit
God, these are my diamonds.
and kill my pets. He can sleep in my beds, shoot my pets. It's a harsh world we live in. He can also set his spawn point to my beds. All he cannot do is break my stuff. He can open trapdoors, barrels, all of that. All he cannot do is break blocks.
I wish I could.
If all you need is a golden hoe to claim land, if you
go
drop
feed
the
my
golden
pet.
hoe, it will not unclaim the land. You'll still have the land. You just won't be able to make it visible. What are you?
I'm feeding my pet.
That's why I can't break his blocks, but his pet killed me.
Just look for his name tag and fucking blast him. Bro, what the heck? I feed him diamond.
You can still hurt people on their land claims. This is how you take their land if you want it.
I will give you
Just
my land.
hold them at gunpoint until they either give up their land or they will die forever, since this server is on hardcore.
Oh, thank you. I give up my land for you.
You can also, even though you have their land, still fucking kill their pets. Until they give up their land, you, however, will not be able to break any blocks.
I give up my land.
To delete your land claim, you have to be standing in it, first off. Alright, so you have to take your golden hoe from before. Be standing in your land claim. Make sure you are in your land claim. You cannot be outside your land claim while doing this. Then do /flan. Delete. Just do delete. /flan delete, and it will delete the land claim. He can now break my shit. Try to break my shit, please. So this is what happens when you get your land stolen.
Don't get your land stolen.
Yeah, don't get your shit stolen. Claim your damn land. You can also do /flan menu to open the flan menu. You have to have a claim.
Yeah, and then I claim this shit for France.
In your flan menu, you can... I don't know what this does. I know what this does. It makes a text for when somebody leaves or enters your claim. This is so you can edit permissions, and this edits global permissions. Which, the explosions will change what people can or cannot do in your land. Of course, some of them are non-toggleable. because they just wouldn't fit this server. That is it for the flan overview. I now have to edit this. You can also delete claim here, by the way. Yeah, bye.